The fucking G shit, so Dre.
What up, dog?
Gotta give them what they want.
What's that?
You gotta break them off something. And it's gotta be pumping. City of Compton.
Where it takes place, so a national attention. Mobbing like a motherfucker, but I ain't lynching. Dropping the funky shit that's making the sucker niggas mumble. When I'm on the mic, it's like a cookie, they all crumble. Try to get close, say your ass will get smacked. My motherfucking homie, Doggy Dogg, has got my back. Never let me slip, cause if I slip, then I'm slipping. But if I got my Nina, then you know I'm straight tripping. And I'ma continue to put the rap down, put the Mac down. And if your bitches talk shit, I have to put the smack down. Yeah, and you don't stop. I told you I'm just like a clock when I tick and I top. No, never on, always on till the break of dawn. See you when PTO in the city they call Long Beach. Putting the shit together like my nigga DOC. No one can do it better like this, that, and this, and it's like that, like this, and like that, and it's like this. Then who gives a fuck about those?
So just chill to the next episode. With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D the double G. But somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G and make a few minutes as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you gonna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the door. What for? We don't have it hard. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce of this. Jeans up, hold down like you motherfuckers bounce to this. Laid back. Some secret gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. Now this type